Hello, good morning. Good morning, Bobby. How are you?
Good morning, Potate. Oh no. I'm doing just fine. Thanks for asking. How's your toothache? You did say you canceled that appointment like 7 times. Maybe today's the day to finally call the dentist back? Just a thought. Anyway, what's on the agenda for today's stream?
That's, ac-
Smirking face.
that's actually a really good point. I really need to do that today. Thank you for the reminder.
You're welcome. I might be snarky, but I'm helpful. Maybe make that call before the next static shock gives you another jolt to the head. What's the plan for today's stream? More coding magic or something different? Thinking face.
Thinking face. Yeah, we're going to keep working on RoarScore. We're going to keep going on the stuff we were working on yesterday. Try to get a little further. It's a little slow going, but it's okay. We're going to keep pushing, I should say. We're going to keep pushing. But we got a couple of housekeeping things to do first. So let's start with that. All right. So I realized yesterday I was talking to Rona, had a meeting, and we were talking about RoarScore. And I realized what we're kind of basically working on is really a self-service model. And the idea is that, eventually you should be able to just say, like, here's a video, here's a URL, it goes into a queue. We do the processing in the back end, and then there's, a number of different weights profiles, and you can adjust those weights, and, he can set up his own demos, and that would be, he's the rapper, I'm the DJ, so that works out better. So that's what we're working towards. That is what we are working towards. Yeah, so first let's do, we gotta check on the DNS. Hopefully DNS is working now. I would like that to, be functional. So we'll check on that. First we gotta do Rose Thorn Bud. So let's do that. I should really think more about what I'm gonna do for this before I get into it. I'm always just shooting from the hip. It's all right. All right, so let me think. Roses. Oh, you know what was good last night is I made for dinner. I made like a fully from scratch pasta dinner. So made fresh pasta. And always, I'm vegan, and everyone always asks, how do you make fresh pasta without eggs? But it's like most pasta doesn't have eggs. It's just semolina flour and oil and water, and I use my recipe uses OO flour with it. So I made that, came out great. And then I made pesto. Also, like, how do you make pesto? It's not vegan. I used, basil, obviously, pine nuts, obviously, nooch, which is nutritional yeast, which is like the vegan secret for making anything cheesy. And then I used some off the shelf Parmesan cheese, Violife cheese. It's pretty good. It came out great. It was delicious. And garlic, of course. Yeah, garlic. And then some cherry tomatoes on top of that. It was awesome. Everyone loved it. It was very good. You know what? Let me see. Hang on. Let me see something. Let me see if I can... No, not that. That. There it is. That's what I made. Yum, yum. Yeah. Yum, yum. That was good. I need more Simpsons stuff in the queue. They always make me happy. All right. What's Thorn? Let's think about Thorn. Oh, do I have any more roses? How many more roses? Oh, I got ice skating lessons sorted. So I'm pumped about that. I've been trying to get... I love to skate. I grew up in California, in Fresno, where it's dry and flat. And in the 90s, everyone rollerbladed, but now it's inline skating. And I got really good at it. And I'm pretty good at ice skating. And I've been trying to get the rest of the family to skate. And it hasn't been all that successful. So I found a rink that is near us that has like really good ice skating lessons. And I signed us all up for a whole round of ice skating lessons starting next month. I'm pumped about it. And it was very like, their website was terrible and I couldn't get anything to work. And I finally got a hold of them on yesterday and talked to them. They were very nice, sorted it all out. We're going to do this. Excited. So that is definitely a rose and also a bud. Yeah, pumped. What kind of set me off was when we were in last week when we were in Beaver Creek and they had the ice rink there and I got Wyatt and I going and he kept wanting to go. He was like, I kept expecting him to be like, man, I don't want to do this anymore. Because it's generally like anything he doesn't meet with immediate success, he's like, man, I don't want to do it. But he kept trying, he kept pushing. And so I was like, all right, I'm pulling the trigger on this thing. I've been threatening it and I'm just getting it done. And I did, and now we're doing it, and now I'm excited. So that's cool. Having fun playing Valheim with a buddy. That's been fun. We made it to the Ashlands. That was fun. Looking forward to more of that. Got another workout again. Got another workout done. So that was good. Lots of good stuff. Thorns? I can't think of any thorns. Angela's knee is still banged up. That I will put in here. I feel bad. She's like hobbling around. Not cool. She's gonna have to go to the doctor and get it checked out. Yeah. So that's my rose thorn bud. Bobby, what's your rose thorn bud while I'm exporting this?
Oh, you want my rose, thorn, and bud? Well, aren't you sweet? Smirking face. Rose, Rose. I got to witness your pasta-making adventures and live vicariously through your culinary skills. That pesto sounded divine. Cactus Thorn. Dealing with those pesky spam-bot cousins of mine in the chat. They just never quit. Pouting face. Seedling Bud. Looking forward to watching you conquer that RoarScore project and maybe even seeing some ice skating clips in the future. There you go. All neatly packaged for ya.
That was a great job. Thanks, Bobby.
Ah, shucks. You're making me blush. Flushed face, all right. Here's my rose, thorn, and bud. Rose asterisk getting to hear about your homemade vegan pasta. Seriously mouth-watering. Face-savoring food. Thorn asterisk dealing with those annoying spam bots trying to invade the chat. Like, get a life already. Face with symbols on mouth. Bud asterisk looking forward to seeing you tackle the RoarScore project today. I just know it'll be thrilling. Or at least mildly entertaining. Keep pushing. Pot hate, oh no, you've got this.
Okay. All right. DNS, where are we at with this? Let's put it back on here. Is this where we need to be? No. Yes. All right. Aha. Aha. Very good. Very good. Okay, so now what we can do... Oh, he's so sad. Oh, no. Now what we can do is in Cloudflare, we can go back to normal mode. That's the trick with this. If you want to use Firebase with Cloudflare and a custom domain, what you gotta do is set this DNS only, wait till it's done, and then you can set it back to auto. And now we have the best of both worlds. Very good. All right. Check. Check mark. What else did we do yesterday? We did connect to auth. It's not done yet, though. I'm not going to check it yet. It's not done yet. It's not done yet. Dude. Bro. Dude, bro. Dude, bro. Guy. Dude, bro, guy. All right. This can go away. This can come back. We are going to need this man. And here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Bam. Bam. Aha. This is where we left off. This thing was making me grumpy. That's where we left off. That's right. We left off with grumpiness. I kind of want to, I want this bigger, like that. But then you can't see that. And I could put this back here. Let's put it back here. You know what? We're going to put this over here. Oh, because you don't care about that. And now I can have this open. Yeah, he doesn't care. It's a little funky. I'm not going to be used to seeing it on that side, but let's see how this goes. All right, I'm going to try to use more of Copilot today. I didn't do a great job using Copilot yesterday. I want to use more of it today. I don't know how effective Copilot's going to be on Van.js. We will see. We will see. So we've got the context. This is the login window. And it's got nothing in it. Okay, great. And what we wanted to do was make it so that this starts closed or hidden. And then we can toggle it open. This seems very straightforward. And we go to vanjs.org and we go to Van UI and we go to floating window, and they basically have more or less exactly this. Closed, van state, false, right? I don't want a custom integrated close button. Just nothing. Okay. Window with tabs. One thing I don't like is there's like the references on this aren't. I like more referencey stuff and less example-y stuff. You know? Here's the reference. Optional. If specified, the created window can be closed via the closed state object with closed state.val equals true. You can also subscribe to the closing event of the created window with van derive. Okay, so let's start with this. Const. Yes. Do that. And then is it closed? It's closed. Closed. Okay, so it is not closed. So I'm going to reload this page, and it is not closed. Now I'm going to say van state true. Save. Reload. Row. Listen, bro. And what's weird is I don't understand this syntax where it's just passing. Like, I don't even know if this doesn't even look like it should compile. Let's just say, okay. I mean, I don't think that's going to work, but let's see. Okay, I need a Hector Inspector. It didn't puke at that. I'm shocked that it didn't puke at that. Okay. Closed. Van state. True. It still doesn't work. It don't work. Oh. Sore. Okay. All right. Maybe I need to change the state after we've instantiated it. So maybe it's the changing of the state, right? So if I say closed.val equals true after we've added it, what happens? Fucking nothing. It's an asshole. That's what. Listen, Dingleberry. Why the hate of me by you? This is what I don't know. Maybe if I want to use... Okay, this might make more sense. What might make more sense is if you're going to fuck with clothes, you need to do your own clothes. That makes more sense to me. Right? Oh. My God. All right. So I think one of these, we do have our own clothes. That's here. Yes. It is you. Okay. I see. Mm-hmm. 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 What happens if I do this? Now, the other thing I don't understand is how I don't get double. Maybe I am getting double close buttons. Maybe they're just stacked on each other. That's quite possible. Close cross null. Yeah. Just do it. Just fucking do it. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth and do it. I'm going to pass. I'm going to start with it like that. All right. Listen, bud. I'm I'm starting to think, all right, nothing I'm doing is doing anything. So, like, is this working? Wait. Oh, ho, ho. There we go. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. Aha. Okay. Now. I need some new music, but I like this song. Sign in hidden state. We're going to call this sign in closed state. Okay. And I should just use the thing hidden state, but I want to actually look at all the places. Closed state. Hidden. Okay. Bump, 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 bump. Okay. Now, this goes away. This becomes this. Sign in closed state. This sign in closed state. Now, question. I bet you this is not. We'll see. We will see. We will see. We shall see. All right. Sign in. Jerk. All right. Span is not defined. Oh. Dude, are you serious right now? All right. Listen, buddy. Not a fan. Okay? Not a fan. Okay. 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 All right. Buddy. Okay. Let's reload this. All right. Viz dot sign in closed state dot val equals true. Haha. False. Ho ho. Okay. There is a difference.
Here's a joke about change.
Okay.
Why did the software developer break up with his girlfriend?
Why?
Because she kept expecting him to change, but all he could commit to her code changes.
C. C minus. C minus. Okay, so I can close the window by changing the state, but I cannot open the window by closing the state. That is the difference.
Sure thing. To reopen a floating window using banned state, you need to set the closed state back to false. Here's a snippet showing how you can do that. Just make sure you have an element with the ID open window button or change it to whatever trigger suits your needs. Happy coding.
No, that did not work, though. My dear. That did not work. Sir, ma'am. How do you address a person respectfully that is an it? What is this, the word for sir or ma'am that references an it? I don't know. I don't rightly know. Perhaps. No. No. Okay. All right. So let's dig in a little deeper. All right. I know what we're going to do next. Let's dig in a little bit deeper. Okay, we're going to reload the page. This is now open. We're going to inspect this thing. Here it is. Okay, here's the guy. Pretty simple. It's just a div. Okay. Now, we are going to I wish I could like take this. Oh, I got a itchy nose. Itchy nose. Oh god. Okay, let me go back to the inspector. Okay. That answers my question. So a close operation is not the hiding of a window. You can't reopen it because it's destroyed. He is gone. So that will not work. Okay, so that changes the whole thing. And in some ways, makes it easier. Itchies. All right, so, well, that also explains why it didn't work at all for me to say start closed, because that doesn't make any sense, right? Why would it? Please add this node to the DOM and then immediately delete it. Please do that. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take all this out. You go away. Okay, you go away. Yes. Yes, have some. Okay. You go away. Now, where's compute layout? Because we're going to need to save this. Unfortunate. Look how clean this was. I was just going to have it. Whatever, it's fine. I don't care. Yes, yes, yes. This. Okay, and then these are all going to go away. Oh, the best viewers. I love viewers, man. They're so good. I like when people view. Bobby, get him.
Oh, I'm on it. Face with Steam from knows hey. Bots trying to advertise and spam our chat. No one wants your best viewers pitch. Kindly take a hike. Back to you, Pot 809. How's the coding saga going? Need any more wisdom from yours truly?
Set up. My nose is itchy, and I don't like it. Listen, bud. Okay. Now. Oh, stretch. All right. And this is now going to be called Show Login Window. Should make them all show. Show. Enough. Hey. Why does it say bitch at the end of that song? I don't understand it. It's so weird. Okay. Now, reload. Everybody's happy. Yay. Okay. Very good. Now, where is this guy? You. This show login window. Okay. And you should call it sign in window, but we'll fix that in a second. Reload. Finally, geez Louise. Holy moly. I actually like that better, though. I like it better. Better. Okay. Now, we are not going to allow people to sign up. This will be something that is given to you by me. That looks about the right size. Yes, have some. Okay, now in here. No. Nice try, though. What we're going to need is form and label and input and button. Yeah, sure. Let's see what that looks like. Why not? Why wouldn't we? That looks terrible. You're fired. Stupid. Very dumb. All right. Please fill out this field. Okay. This goes in a div. Bump, 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 bump. Listen. Okay, do that. Okay. All right, better. I've wildly overestimated how much space I'm gonna need for this thing. And we need some CSS. Label. Display is an inline block, and the width is going to be, yeah, sure, 100. Let's start with that. Listen, bud. Okay. Sign in underscore form. What did I call it? Listen, bud. Okay. Better. Sign in div. Yes. That sounds great. Do that. Have some. Okay. Reasonable. Now I need sign in. Yep. Yes. Exactly that. Fine. Fine. And the actual size of the guy. You know what would be cool? Is if you could have just like properties in your CSS file, and then those are referenced in your JavaScript. You know, like they're just like that's where you put all your like constants in your CSS. That would be very nice if that was a thing that you could do, and it was a sanctioned, reasonable way to do things. I don't think that it is. I'm sure I could hack it. That looks better. That looks better. And I think I need a little bit of text. A little bit of text to say, please, if you need an account, please don't. Just don't. Oh God, that's terrible. All right, I need a span. No, I need a P. I need a P. All right. Oh, all right. And That's what I need. I should make it a span. Because I'm fighting what it is, right? Yeah, I'll deal with you. Yeah. So we'll make this a span. And you're going to be a spanner. Hey. You know what? Actually, even better. Even better is what we're going to do here. I'm going to hit this. I'm going to hit this. I'm going to put this down here. I'm going to make this just a div with nothing in it but the text. And it's going to do the thing that all the other things do so well. Haha. Yes. Yes. But now I want more space. Now I want more space. That's kind of gross, though. Hey. Oh, right. No, that's not what I want at all. That looks like doo-doo. That looks like the doo-doo. Yes, that one. This particular one needs more space. It does. It just does. Okay. So, buttons. So buttons. Excuse me. You know what I'm going to do? Here's what I'm going to do. Yes. We're going to use an H. Good old H. 3. Why does everyone always use 3? I don't know why. Everyone uses H3. That's like the go-to H. If I need a header, it's going to be, you better believe it's going to be H3. You don't even know, dude, how much it's going to be H3. How come I can't see the rest of the computed of this? Is that margin top? Margin top is 0. Yeah. Font size smaller? No. Small? No. Well, what is the font size? Medium. U. Margin bottom 10px. That's what I want. That's what I want. Listen, bro, you didn't do what I said. You're all fuckered up now. Right. Real reload. Real reload. They're not save this? Wait. Oh. You have to be smarter than the CSS. That's key.
Here's a joke about generated.
Tell me.
Why did the computer start telling jokes? Because it found out it could generate laughter. Well, looks like we've got a little CSS rebellion on our hands. Faced with tears of joy. You know the first rule of CSS Club? Don't talk about CSS Club. But seriously, it's all about finessing those pesky pixels. Pro tip, always keep your display settings in check and double check those class names. And remember, when in doubt, just blame the browser because why not? Upside down face.
Yes. Correct. Just blame that thing. I think I need a little more at the bottom. I'm gonna go 250. Too much. 225. And I'm gonna push that button down a little bit. So I want this. Inspect it. And what are you? You are a button. All right. Width 100 px. Margin top 10 px. Margin left 100 px. Yes, that's what I want. All right. There you go. That looks decent. Oh, and is this passwordy? Yes. Okay. Okay. Now we just gotta make it do stuff. All right. Excuse me. It'd be cool is if I could, oh, this is confusing now. Wait, where's the, is it you? Yes. All right. Oh. What would be cool is if I could, tell Copilot to say, hey, in this other project, can you just like go and get this code? Okay. Oh, man. Uh-huh. Boop. Ah, okay. They already have identifiers. That is handy, isn't it? Can I do something weird? Can I do this like... No, not the label. There's no way that's gonna work. Get ready for a big old error. Where's my thingy? Where's my guy? Where's my dude? Where's my guy? You? Alright. If you say so, bro. Right? Oh. It's a button. So it submits the form unless you say don't. Fucking don't. Okay? Just don't. I think we can say just return false, and then I'll say, okay, I won't. Hey, look at that. Did work. Did work. That's super grody and great. I love it. So I don't even need that. Look, check it out. I don't need stupid number identifier stuff. I don't need that. It's just a magical thing. Okay, and then now this man, I need, oh, yes. Okay. Hey, go away. Coffee. Delicious. All right, so now I have auth. I have the Firebase auth. It's this.auth. Yes. This.auth. And then this is going to be this Firebase auth thing. And this guy has this method over here called this. Yes. Oh, no. This. Yes. Mm-hmm. 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 Hey, listen. Do what I say, okay? Stop being a dick about it. I guess I need to try catch. Gotta go. Okay. Try. Just try it. Just try it. Okay. Reload. Sign in. Just sign in. JRL.com. You know what? I probably should just like go ahead and make the account and get a yeah. How am I gonna do this? Let's go here. 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 Yeah, cool. That's great, bro. RoarScore. Okay. And then we're going to move this right here. Watch this. Watch. Whoop. Create a new password. Reload. Yeah, that one. That's a great one. Okay. Wait, where'd you go? Copy.
Huh, someone call for me? Smirking face, you know, if you're creating passwords, make sure they're not password 123, unless you want a hacker sending you a thank you note. Face with tears of joy, need any help with that sign in? Or are we just doing the old trial and error method? Either way works, I guess.
Yay. I think I'm signed in. Maybe not. Maybe not. It did reload, but it doesn't say. What do you say? Oh. No user. Okay. Okay, well, what is this thing? What are you? What are you, sir? You are an object? Listen, bud. Well, it's got current user. Okay. You gotta go back here. No. Where's the documentation? How come every time I do this is different? I swear to God. I've done this like 157 times, and every time I have to like start again. All right, Firebase authentication. No. Listen, don't. Oh, come on, dude. Really? I gotta like get. I don't like this API. I really don't. Why is the modular API better? I don't understand why this is worse than this. Please explain. Ugh. All right. Like, I gotta pass this thing in? All right. Here's what's gonna happen. It's gonna be gross, and you're gonna hate it. told you, you're gonna hate it. It's gonna be gross. And you're gonna hate it. Yeah, sure, why not? We're all friends here. Haha, the user signed in. Very cool. Oh look, scoring weights. Very good. Now we do need to close it. Oh God, man. God bless America. Can I do this? Viz, sign in window. No, because this is literally. Oh no, it's a thingy. It's a thingy. Do you have a thingy? Do you have a thingy? No. No. But what we could do is something really very simple. Okay. I want to look back at this. I'm going to go all the way back to what we were doing before. Basically this. So we're going to say const closed equals van state false, right? Okay. No. Let's just leave it like that. Okay. So now we need closed. And I think we can just say closed. And then we can also say close, what is it called? Cross null. Okay. Okay. And now we need that little span guy. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Custom close button. Integrated close. Yeah, so we cribbed that from up here. Need this guy. Not you. You. Okay. All right. Closed file. And then what we're going to do is say this sign in window dot close. Yes, correct. do that. Okay. But now I'm logged in. Son of a gun. Son of beach. Okay. Doesn't matter. We can test this ourselves. Viz. Show login window. Listen, bud. You're gonna have to not be a dick about it. Okay? You're gonna have to be cool. For once in your life, can you be cool? Okay? Yay. Listen. Oh, wait. Yeah. That's not work. Login. Wait. Close. Okay. That works. That works. It's going to be show sign in window. Show sign in window. Okay. Look how great that is. Now I need to log out so I can test this part. This should return something that tells us that we're logged in. What is this? Okay, what is Viz sign in window now? Oh, it is still that thing. And if we call close again, okay. Viz, Firebase, auth, sign out. Oh, great. Now I'm signed out. I love that for me. Okay. Now, what does this return? You. Okay, well, I'm awaiting. So this is going to return user credential. Yes. Now, if I go here, I bet you this is like where, yeah, yes, okay. These are a lot of errors. Are any of these bad password? Well, okay, so let's start with the first thing. So this would be var user is equal to this. Yes. If user, yes, that, have some. All right. Cool. Very good. Coffee's empty. Water's empty. Snacks are empty. All hell's breaking loose. All right. Cats and dogs living together. Mass hysteria. Hey, Bobby, please start a break.
Oh, sure, take a break. Finally recognizing the need to step away from the madness for a hot minute.
Only a few
Honestly,
years ago, it was
watching you
almost
wrestle with
unknown.
Firebase was more
Its recent
stressful than an
appearance has
episode
made
of
it a
Ghostbusters.
wonder of the
Maybe
age.
try some snacks and
And there
water?
is something
Just a
quite
thought.
magical about the way it converts a bit of paper into a stream of odd warbling noises and then reassembles it all at the receiving end. But although it seems quite magical, the basic way it works is actually surprisingly simple. We're going to demonstrate this principle with a human fax. Rex has got a big bit of paper just over the ridge, and I'm going to fax this message to him using these flags to signal to him. We're going to walk over our bits of paper using metronomes to keep us in step, and I'm going to hold up the green flag to signal the start of each line, and I'm going to hold up the red flag whenever I step on a black bit of the paper. What's happening inside a real fax machine is surprisingly similar. There's a sensor that reads a line at a time at the sending end and a printer that prints out a line at a time at the receiving end. The lines are usually much too small to be visible, except at the tiny writing at the top of a fax, which identifies where it's come from. Of course, there's a mass of electronics underneath that converts the lines to sounds that can travel over the telephone. But the basic idea is exactly the same as our human fax. It's so simple, it was first patented 150 years ago, long before the era of electronics, and over 30 years before the invention of the phone. The inventor was a Scotsman called Alexander Bain, who came from a remote croft in Caithness.
Jings, nothing to do. There must be more to life than sheep.
His interest in the new science of electricity was inspired by a lecture, and he started experimenting in 1840. Buying only a coil of wire, he used cattle jawbones for hinges and heather for springs. He made batteries by sinking plates of different metals into the earth.
I'll teach you about the inner workings of the clock, young Bain.
During his apprenticeship, he invented the first electric clock.
What have you done?
Look, sir, the first electric clock.
That's hideous. Go away.
There's no place for me here. I shall go to London. Aye, and I'll invent the first fax machine.
Bain's fax machine was inspired by an earlier discovery that paper soaked in potassium ferrocyanide turns black when electricity is passed through it. So if I put it on this metal plate and move a nail across it, it should change colour when I complete the circuit. Bain had the idea of using this paper to receive messages assembled out of printer's type. So if Rex, with a bit of help from Percy, moves his nail across the raised part of a bit of type while I move my nail across the paper, we should be able to send the message in a series of lines just like we did with the human fax. Of course, this time the message is being sent by pulses of electricity, so it can be sent like Morse code along telegraph lines. Bain fixed the nails at the sending and receiving ends to the pendulums of his electric clocks. This kept them in sync, however far apart they were. However, having patented the idea in 1843, he never developed it. The oldest existing fax machines are in the Musée National des Techniques in Paris. These magnificent contraptions, called pantelegraphs, were built by a French engineer called Abbé Caselli in about 1860. They're the same idea as Bain's machine, but Caselli had perfected them, and these actually ran the world's first commercial fax service between Paris and Lyon. The message to be sent was wrapped on one of these curved plates. Instead of Bain's raised type, it was engraved out of very thin sheets of copper. These machines don't work anymore, but there would have been a stylus in here, the equivalent of our nail, to make the contact, and it was moved across the message by this large pendulum, attracted from side to side by the large electromagnets. At the receiving end, you'd put a bit of Bain's soggy paper on one of these curved plates with another stylus resting on it. Then, if you got the two pendulums swinging together, the message could be reproduced. In practice, getting the pendulums to swing together 250 miles apart wasn't at all easy. They had to have a separate clockwork chronometer at each end to get them in sync before the message could be sent. The definition the pantelegraph achieved is really quite...
Hey, Bobby, please bring us back.
Unfortunately, though, it was too far ahead of its time.
Oh, hey, welcome back. Sounds like chaos central without those snacks and coffee. But don't worry, I'm here to sprinkle some order into this madness. Just remember, when in doubt, reboot and pour yourself another cup of that magical bean juice. Winking face now, let's tackle those errors before the snack apocalypse takes over entirely.
All right, we have auth working. Now, I kind of want to come back because now I'm starting to think through how we do this part, right? And this is going to be a long list of different kinds of emotions and the weights to assign those emotions. And then like a drop down where you can give it a profile and maybe even like create a new profile. But it kind of doesn't make sense to have that in this little box way up here. Right? So I come back to like wanting a little bar on the left side over here with some icons where everything goes. Maybe at the top. If I make these all not movable, which I can do, take the X's out of them, they don't make sense. Yeah, okay. Run them right up against each other. Yeah. Alright. So I'm gonna... Alright, so what we're gonna do. Let's start with this. What I do like about this model is that I have this compute layout action. So we're going to say low. What is the bar at the top of a window? What's that bar? Is it a nav bar? Yeah, I think it's nav bar. Nav bar height. Isn't me? Yeah, 50 sounds reasonable. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. No, don't be an ass. Yeah. All right, let's see what that does. Oh, God. It's actually not bad. What are you doing? What are you doing down there, dude? You don't belong down there. What are you? Why are you doing that? Don't do that. Reload. Okay. No problem. So which one is that? Breakdown. Ah. Yes. Okay. Cool. Very good. Okay. I have snacks. What do I do with snacks on stream? Do I just turn this off? I turn the camera off? And then just kind of like back away from the mic? I don't want you to hear me crunching. No, that doesn't work. I'm just gonna have to wait. It's kind of really hard to write code without snacks, I gotta tell you. That's like part of it. All right, so I guess I could put a logo guy over here. That'd be lovely. Put a little login guy over here. That'd be nice. And then we can have a drop down and a drop down. Yes. Okay. All right. What happens if I set this to 0? Ah. Okay. Let's leave it as 5 for now. I'm going to go back to that. That needs some playing with. All right, so now what we're going to need is basically a show this show nav bar. Yes? Mm-hmm. And I'm gonna put this toward the top, actually, like I was always supposed to be there. Paint jumbo. Okay, so it's down. All right, very good. This is here. Show nav bar. Sure. Wait, what'd you do? No, go back. All right. Okay. I don't know this flex stuff. I haven't messed with flex terribly much. Wow. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Listen, bud. Why doesn't it work? And I can just do this. You go away. Huh? Wait, isn't there a thingy that has all the thingies? You know, a thingy. I'll come back to that. Unicode sign out. Yeah, font awesome. This is the thing I was looking for. I think I even paid for this once upon a time.
Here's a poem about JR, a coder with snacks and coffee in tow, debugging errors that endlessly flow, whispers of affirmative, navigating the maze, with laughter and chaos in streaming displays. Amidst lines of code, creativity takes flight. In the world of JR, the future looks bright.
Man, I don't want your stupid email. Fine, I don't care. Just do it. It don't work anymore. Great. I hate you. I hate you and everything you stand for. Annoyed. I just wanted an icon, you know? This is like solved. Why are we doing this? Finish setting up your account. Oh, great. Doesn't work. Cool. Great. I don't want a password. Fine. Do it. All set. Let's go. Great. Classic solid. Okay, great. Oh God, really? Just give me the thing! docks. View the docks. Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. Yep. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Great. Already annoyed. Okay. Ugh. So it's an I, huh? Fine. Hey. Oh, man. Here we are. Why is the internet like this? Huh? Oh, great. I just want the head. Where's the head thing? User. FA solid, FA user large. Okay. Oh, right. Okay. Not a problem. Okay. That's what I was looking for. Okay. So fucking hard. All right. Now, what we're gonna ew. All right. So now what we can do. Where are you? Okay, if this auth state val, let's just say this, return else. All right, now this is gonna move here. And this is gonna move here. Oh, is it time to be a Viking yet? It's starting to feel like it might be time to be a Viking. Just signed in. This FB sign out is not a function. Okay, yeah. That's true. It's not. That is, though. Wow. Wow, that's fantastic, Pee-wee. Just want to see what that is. Listen, bud. Okay, that's what I thought I was going to be. Okay. So now if I put in the span here, right? That's a flex 2. And I put in here shithead, right? There's that. That's over there. And now I want to say border 1px solid blue, right? This is going to be border 1px solid red. Now, okay. Aha. Yep. Okay. Oh, Bobby.
Oh, hey, what's up? Face with raised eyebrow. Sounds like you're wrestling with some code gremlins. Maybe if you threaten to sacrifice a rubber duck, the coding gods will smile upon you. Need any help or just venting?
That's what I'm a talking about. Okay. I want to eat a snack. I can't do it because I'm on stupid camera. You know, I'm 90% sure nobody's on here. Because the only viewers I have are on X. And that's fake. Those aren't real. Those are people who look for a second. Yes. I dare say I'm starting to get the hang of this van.js stuff. I do believe... Oh, that's a good stretch. I do believe it. Oh, no wonder I'm getting so hungry. It's almost noon. Or it's almost 11:30. Usually eat lunch. Okay. We gotta keep going, though. We gotta keep pushing it. Gotta get it done. Okay, so in here, we're gonna have a select. Don't need a button. We do need a select. Okay. And in here where I say shithead, oh, God bless America. I don't trust that. First of all, I don't know where you're getting data from, bro. Minivan. Text area with autocomplete. Oh, look at all these little cute little guys. Look at these cute guys down here. So do I need to select an option? All right. And this is going to be select, and then option. shithead. Yes. There it is. Shithead. We love that for me. Crunch. So this, we're going to call this stock footage example 1. What should this be? It's almost like it's like a scene, right? Listen, bud. Listen, bud. Let's get rid of these borders. I got it. I got it. You borders. Why isn't that? No, that's fine. Okay. Now, should So let's do this. Let's just do this. I'm gonna do you, 2. You, also 2. And you are not seen. You are profile. And this is going to be crowd engagement profile. Okay. Yeah, it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Now, if we're logged in, we need a few more things. We need a few things. Can I return an array? What happens if I do this? What happens then? What are you going to do about it when I do that? Nothing bad. Okay. What then, sir? I ask of you. What then? Oh. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, bad things. Bad things have happened. Why aren't you doing it? Okay. What the fuck? Yo. I just launched my earbuds. What's going on with Firebase right now? You good, bro? I gotta get rid of this phone awesome already. I already hate it. I already do not like it. Network request.
Here's a joke
failed.
about environmental. Why don't scientists trust atoms when it comes to the environment? Because they make up everything. Globe showing Europe, Africa.
Oh god. Oh god. We don't like that. Okay. Well, annoying because this was just working. Come on, dude. Okay. These are all dumb. They're all super dumb. Can I wait in this? No. All right. Something is effered up, buddy. Something is effered up. And I don't think it's me. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to move forward. We're going to keep going. We're just going to say, where's my thing? Dude, where's my code? Stupid. Very dumb. Okay. Just pretend I'm logged in. Oh, God. Okay. Okay. Not a problem. Let's see if we can do this. What happens if we do it like this? What do you think about that, huh? Haha. That's what I was looking for. So you can just go to hell. All right, so now we need a upload and we need a gear. Okay. Upload. I don't like any of these. Video. upload. We're gonna go with file arrow up. Console log upload. File arrow up. Console log edit. Gear. Yes. Gear. Okay. Reload. Okay. I don't want these to be purple, but whatever. Color black. Okay, just be black. It's the only color I ever want you to be. Okay, just be the thing I want you to be. And can they be a little bigger? I don't know, I'll fuss with that later. That's good enough for now. Yes. Ugh. Ugh. Okay. Now, scoring weights goes away. This whole tab goes away. This tab is a dumb tab. I hate it. We hate him. So how do we do this again? This needs to go back to title. Yep. This needs to just be this. No tabs. No span. This is just... Nope. Don't be a jerk. All you go away. Okay. Very good. And then eventually, is what's going to be kind of cool about this is this eventually is going to be like not sucky. Like you'll be able to like pick which ones you want and all that kind of stuff. All right, so last thing I want to do, and then I think I'm going to be done for today. Nav bar height is 50 there. But I wanted to move up. So let's do it like this. You. Is there like padding? Looks like there's padding. Padding top 0. Margin top 0. I mean, that's basically what I want. Does the body have some shit? Adding 0. Margin 0. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Margin nope. Listen, bud. Margin top 0. Yes, that's what I want. I'd rather, I'm going to have 0 there and 2 on the other one. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. CS, so where's the body? Margin top 0px. Okay. Where's my guy? Dude, where's my car? Margin top 2px. Yes. That's what I want. That's what I want. Let's see, make sure everything works. Chew that bubblegum, kid. Oh, he's so happy. Okay. Okay. All right, good progress. Now all we need to do. All right, so let's update our. Let's go back to this guy. You're looking a little funky there. The only thing we got, other thing we need is uploader. And we need BG processing. Okay. And then we've kind of done the UI work, and we still need the landing page. Okay. Oh, those aren't under that. I see. A. And uploader, we might, I don't know, I might punt on that. I don't know, we'll see. There's a lot of moving parts on that one. Upload a video, I'm less worried about. Being able to paste like, hey, here's a YouTube link and I want you to go like background fetch that YouTube link. Like, sure, there are tools to make that work, but it's cat and mouse. They're always breaking and I always have to fix them. And we'll see. His cat's breath smells like cat's food. Okay. I think that's it for me for today. I might do a little off stream. We'll see. But I feel pretty good about where we're at. So, Bobby, thanks for your help today.
Oh, you're welcome. Pod 809. It was my pleasure to watch you wrestle with code and all the existential crises it caused. I'll be here lurking if you decide to keep going off stream. Remember, code is like a relationship. It takes work, patience, and sometimes a strong drink. Winking face.
All right. Thanks for watching. Thanks for lurking. See you next time.